Good morning children. Today we will discuss about globe. We all know that earth is very large in size. If we want to see the actual shape and size of the earth, we cannot see it. So what should we do? We can use a globe to see the actual shape and size of the earth. So what is a globe? Now we will discuss. Globe, a model of the earth in its true shape. What is a globe? A model of the earth in its true shape. With the help of a globe, we can see the true shape and size of the earth. So, globe is a best model to see the earth. On a globe, we can see northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, western hemisphere, eastern hemisphere very clearly. With the help of globe, we can see oceans, continents in their actual shape and size. So with the help of earth, we can see the actual shape and size of the earth. Globe is also very useful for seeing the lines of latitudes and lines of longitude. With the help of globe, we can see equator clearly. So, globe provides us a clear view in actual shape and size for the earth. Now we will discuss the shape of the earth. Earth is spherical in shape. What is the meaning of spherical? Spherical means which looks like a ball or which is round like a ball. So, earth is round like a ball, but it is flat at the pole. So we can say it is not a perfect sphere. In other words, we can also say that the shape of the earth is not perfectly spherical. Now we will discuss the next feature of the globe. It is three-dimensional. What is the meaning of three-dimensional? Three-dimensional means which has length, breadth and width. So, all the three dimensions of the earth can be seen with the help of a globe. Now we will discuss types of globes. These days, even folding maps are also available in the market. These maps can be easily folded and you can carry it very easily from one place to another. Otherwise, the globe is not easy to carry because of its spherical shape and its big size. So it is quite difficult to carry globe from one place to another. How can we use these folding globes? These folding globes can be inflated with air whenever they are required, and when they are not in use, their air can be taken out. So globes are very useful if we want to see earth in its actual shape and size. But there is a big disadvantage of using globe, which is if we want to see the earth as a whole, we cannot see. For that purpose, we have to use the maps.